everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Today is the 268th day of the year, and there are only 97 days left. Oh my goodness. We're still celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month. That goes on until the 15th, and we have a couple of programs to tell you about. The first one is October 1st, which is a Saturday, and it will be held in the Children's Storytime Room. And it's a story time with Carolyn Watson Dubreeze. And then on October 4th, the Hispanic Women of Arkansas are going to host a scholarship workshop for Latino students. And that will be in the community room from 5:45 till 8 p.m. Then the Tween Book Club will be September 27th from 4 to 5, and that's via Zoom. And the book they're discussing is Maribel versus the Volcano. It's a Mount St. Helens survival story. And on October 4th, at 12 noon in the community room, they're going to live stream an author chat and read aloud with Stephen Curry. Now, if you would like to do this at home, be sure to register in the link that's provided in the description of this video so that you can live stream this event from home. Next up is the teen department. We have the DIY Mondays. They're at 6 o'clock in the community room. And Monday the 26th, they're going to do duct tape crafts. And on October 3rd, they're going to do mosaic coasters. Then Thursday night events are September 29th, Library Taskmaster. Now, this is a new program, and you guys are going to want to come and see what kind of challenges Betsy has for you. And then October 6th is movie night. Then Saturday, October 8th at 2 p.m. in the Glotzbecker room is Creative Crew. So join Betsy and get your creativity cap on. Our next Achieve It is financing the golden years. Do you have enough money saved up for your retirement? This is going to be October 5th at 5:30 in the Friends of the RPL community room. So be sure and register for that. Okay, you guys are probably wondering what these are. These are little ghosts for the October Take It, Make It. They're made with lollipops, cute little eyes. But the catch is, Leslie's going to show you how to embellish them. This one is a little angel. It's cute. And then this one, which is, I think, adorable, is a little witch. And she'll show you how to do all of this in her video, which should be posting soon. So for now, I hope you all have a nice, wonderful couple of weeks. See you next time.